I don't know why it's telling me to press Control-Alt-Delete to log on. That's a really weird key combination for just for logging on to the computer. I'm not sure why that is. It's kind of weird. I'm not sure why it's asking me to do that. So anyway, let's just Control-Alt-Delete. Well, that's annoying. Frick. I'm not sure how I'm gonna join. I'm not sure how I'm gonna log on then. Maybe if I can figure out how to make some key behave as if it were delete, but like it's not delete, but the key isn't delete. Control-Alt, backspace. Well, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's just see. Is there a... Oh! So is it telling me to press, right Control-Alt-Delete? Well, nope, that doesn't work. Frick. How do I press Control-Alt-Delete in VirtualBox? I'm running VirtualBox with Windows Vista as host OS and Windows Server. Windows Vista. When was this? Oh, 2010. That explains it. And host OS Windows Server 2008 as guest OS. To log in to Windows Server, I have to press Control-Alt-Delete, but my host OS reacts on that, so I cannot send it to VirtualBox. How can I do it? Usually there is an entry in a menu somewhere. Host key delete 1. I'm not sure what this 1 means. Should work too, though. If you're using a remote desktop, then you can use Control-Alt-End instead. Okay. So host key delete. Oh, okay. We figured it out. All right, we figured that out. So let's just username Blaine World, I guess. And then I need to hide the password, hide the username and password from you again, so you don't hack me on anything. So you don't like try to hack me or anything. Okay. The system cannot log you on. Make sure your username and domain are correct. Help. Oh. Oh, okay, so apparently apparently somebody's already used this before. How do I create a new account? Windows key. Alt. I don't even know what to do. Administrator. Okay. Password. Oh, well, that's really silly. The password was literally password. That's actually really funny. The password was password. I'm not kidding. I am not exaggerating or anything. The password was literally password. That's so weird. Okay. I don't know why the password was password, but it was. So the username was administrator and the password was password. Like, why would the administrator use password as their password? That's ridiculous. Also, I think I didn't put this in the right. Also, I think I did this wrong. Also, I think I set up my recording software wrong. Just fix this, and then fix this, and also fix this. And I don't know why I'm holding my hand out like this. There we go. Okay, it's fixed. Now we can go back to Windows NT. My computer. Oops, I messed up. Sorry, that was a mistake. Okay, my computer. Welcome to Windows NT. Did you know if you don't know how to do something, you can just look it up in help. Just click start and then click help. Yes, I did know that. Also, does the Windows key? Oh, finally, the Windows key works in one of these operating systems. And the Windows key doesn't close the start menu, but it's still much better than not being able to press the Windows key next to it. The shutdown command on the start menu enables you to safely shut down your computer. Wait, was this something people didn't know? To add a program to your start menu, you can drag the program's icon to the start button. Okay. You can use your right mouse button to drag files. Try it and see what happens. Okay. Left, right. Create shortcut. Oh! Okay, I actually didn't know about that. Despite being a modern Windows user, I did not know that you can quickly create a shortcut by dragging it with the right mouse button. Because I'm a weirdo. Network neighborhood. I'm not sure why it's called neighborhood. Like, it's not really a neighborhood. It's just like, it's not really a neighborhood. It's more like a network. So that's pretty weird. Okay. Does this version of Internet Explorer actually work? Google.com. Okay, actually, I think we need to put www. Wait, what? It was not found. What? The site was not found. How? But it's there. It exists. Oh wait, actually, I think maybe I need to put HTTPS. Nope, that's actually really weird. That's actually really weird. Why does that not work? Okay. For example, if the server is named CorpNet, type CorpNet. Why did they use backslashes? It's slashes. That's weird. Okay. To browse web pages on your local network, to connect to the internet through an internet service provider, you need a modem or ISDN adapter and information from your service provider. You also need to install the TCP/IP network protocol and remote access service from the network control panel applet under Start Settings Control Panel. To connect to the internet through your local computer network, you need a network adapter card and information on the proxy server on your network. Why? In Windows 95, I could just type google.com and it worked. That's stupid. Maybe it's because this is supposed to be Windows Server. Maybe, yeah, I think maybe this is supposed to be Windows Server, so that might be why it's not working. Okay, so let's just go to my computer and we're gonna make some things. Dial-up networking. Oh come on, I'm already connected to Wi-Fi. Why did Windows 95 work with Wi-Fi but not Windows NT? That's really weird. Okay, install. Some files on unknown are needed. That's actually pretty weird. Like, what disk does it need? Okay. Let's just go to my briefcase. What is my briefcase? Because I've seen the option for like create new briefcase in Windows before. But I don't really actually know what it does. See, like it creates a briefcase. I don't know what these things do. What do those things do? You can use the Windows briefcase to help you organize and keep your documents up to date between two PCs. There are 4 easy steps. Drag your important files into the briefcase. Take the briefcase with you as you travel by keeping it on your laptop or dragging it onto a floppy disk. Make changes either to the files inside the briefcase or to the original files. Click Update All on the briefcase menu to bring your files up to date. To learn more about how to use the briefcase, look up briefcase. Wait, isn't that how folders work? just create a new folder. Let's see, is there anything that's actually invert selection? Was this? Oh. Is there actually anything that changes? Okay, so this is different than how normal File Explorer works. I'm going to show all files because I'm smart. I'm not going to delete things. I'm just going to make cool stuff on this computer. Anyway, it's time to do some computer things. New text document. So I think we should start by creating an HTML page because I think I should create an HTML page with a bit of information about myself. Wait, why can't I just use Control-N to make a new file? Control-O. That's weird. None of the key shortcuts are working. Host key O. Nope. Okay. That's really weird. It should work. Control Shift O. Okay, that's strange. Why does it not let me actually open anything? Because it lets me select. No, it doesn't. What key short works on here? It lets me copy and paste, but none of the other key shortcuts work. It's really weird. No. Okay. Now we can create a new file that's going to contain some information about me, and so because if we have a briefcase, then we might as well have like a sort of web business card, I guess, or whatever you would like to call this. Blaine's web thingy. Blaine's HTML thingy. That's what we're going to call it. Wait, no, we're just going to call it. We're going to call it Blaine Hargett because that's my name, and that seems like a good title. Link. Probably just wait. I don't even know if you can have external CSS in these old browsers. So create an empty style sheet there, and then we'll close the head and body / body / HTML. And so now we're going to create a short JavaScript. So now we're going to create a short bit of JavaScript here. So script language equals JavaScript. I'm pretty sure language equals JavaScript is pretty important if you're using older versions of Internet Explorer because before Internet Explorer 11, because Internet Explorer 10 and below actually support Visual Basic, which is a programming language that is not JavaScript, so I don't use it. Just kidding, I use it occasionally if I need like text-to-speech or anything in a batch program. What, is it weird that I write batch programs? Is that weird? Is it? Seriously though, is that weird though? It has been changed to command prompt. So like if we put color 0v. Okay, cool. So yeah, it seems like any program that I've made should work in Windows NT, like because as you can see, I typed color 0e, so it made it yellow on a black background. So that's really weird. Why was the choice command removed and then re-added? That's really weird. Okay, let's just close the command prompt because that's not what we were doing, and then we'll go back to creating a short bit of JavaScript in here. Window.alert a hello world. So now it says hello world whenever you open the page, and now we're going to create a heading. We're going to call it Blaine Hargett because that's what my name is, and then we're going to create a paragraph containing text, obviously, because it's a paragraph. This is a test. At least one phrase in this sentence should be green. Okay, so we're just going to see which ways, see all the ways in which we can actually use CSS. So that should be green. And also, actually, let's just see if, actually, I just thought of a very creative use for this, for CSS. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And then we're just gonna change this to lazy big red dog. Cause it's Clifford the big red dog. Okay, let's just go over here. And this style brown. And so now the fox is brown. Like the word brown is brown. And then I am redless. And then we'll go over here and put in the style sheet, I am red plus is red. And then we'll save this file to my briefcase. It's in use on another computer. It is? It's not. It's just open right here, I think. Okay, all files. Read, me.html, I guess. Dang it, I just thought of a good title for this file. I just thought of a good name for this file, actually. It's annoying. Saving this as bio.html. We actually have 22 gigabytes of storage on this computer because, or did I actually do that? I don't think I actually. No, I think that was for a different one that didn't even work. So I think that was actually for a different virtual machine that didn't work. So sorry. Bio.html. So if we open this, the quick brown. I can't tell if this is brown or not. I'm just gonna see if I can go over here and is it brown? No, it is not. Well, that sucks. See, we can see the style sheet. That's really weird. Like, why? Why doesn't that work? Like, if I like do this, so if I do this, then that's really weird. Apparently, CSS just doesn't work in old versions of Internet Explorer. That's really weird. Like, this must be very old. Okay. So can we change the font to what was that? So like the quick cursive box. The quick cursive box jumps over the lazy big red dog. Nope, it does not work. So we cannot use CSS apparently, and JavaScript also apparently doesn't work, which is really weird. Why doesn't JavaScript work? Okay, so let's just try making making a script of some kind. Wait, no, actually, hang on, let me just check something out. Okay, Windows NT 4 release date. Release date, release date, okay. It's already fixed it for me. August 24th. Huh, that's like 4 days before my birthday. So I guess, Windows NT 4's birthday is 4 days before my birthday. I actually did not know that. So, let's just, check something. So 1996, and I'm too lazy to do math, so 2004 minus 1996 is 8. So that means, I am -8 years old, and have just updated, wait, no, I am -9 years old, I am -9 years old, going on -8, and have just updated to Windows NT 4.0. It has a lot of great features, such as not being really slow. I like to draw, and I like trains, and I've liked Minecraft, and I've enjoyed playing Minecraft for -16 years now. Wait, that's not how that works. What is 13 minus 8? I'm too lazy to actually calculate that. No, wait, it's 5. Okay, so let's just, for -11 years now. Okay, so let's just save the file. Let's just save this file, and why does this script not work? Alert. Hello world. Save. Wait, that's not how you open things. Bio. Hello world, I am -9 years old, going on -8, and have just updated to Windows NT 4.0. It has a lot of great features, such as not being really slow. I like to draw, and I like trains, and I've enjoyed playing Minecraft for -11 years now. Alert, hello world. Yeah, I can tell, just based on the results of trying to open, just judging by the results of trying to run very basic scripts, that somehow JavaScript isn't supported. That's really weird, because it is supported in Windows 95, and Windows NT, and Windows NT 4 came out a year after that. So that's really weird. I'm not sure why this isn't working. I'm not sure why it's not just running my script like it's actually a script. So, hang on, let me look up something. Does Windows NT 4 support JavaScript? Okay, whatever. Let's just... Okay, fine. So since it does not support JavaScript, and I want to make my page really status morphin. Oh, that's just sad. So let's just make my page in a different freaking format. Wave sound. I'm not sure how it would create a new wave sound. That's really weird. Okay. So should we create a rich text document? Yeah, let's create a rich text document. I'm pretty sure that's more supported. I'm pretty sure that's supported by more operating systems than WordPad documents. Okay. Must type file name. Bio.rtf. Okay. RTF, as in, RTF in this case means stands for retarded file. I'm sorry, rich text format. That was just rude. Okay. Save that. Okay, let's just copy that to my briefcase and delete the original one. Okay. Open this. Let's create some stuff. What does it mean by? Wait, there were different versions of Times New Roman. I didn't even know that. Okay. Modern. Okay, I already know I don't like this font. Save. I'm glad there's a save button at the top. That's great. It really is though. Date and time. Wait. So like, do we just insert the? Oh, I thought like we could. Wait, is this like a real date and time? So like, can I edit this? Project properties. Wait, so this 18. Wait, no, that's not. But like the numbers are all like are all being selected as one thing. So like, let's just try putting 5, 23, 18. So if we select it, oh, okay, so it's just a weird behavior of the program. It's not like it's actually going to update that. I want to see what objects we can add. Insert date and time. I'm not sure why we would need to do that, because it's not even that good. Like, it doesn't really tell you what the current date is. I think it would be really cool if, wait, MIDI sequence, we can do that? Wait, what? We can edit a MIDI sequence in this program? Really? Is that true? Is this real life? You don't have the required hardware and drivers installed. Well, that's stupid. Well, that's stupid. Edit. I can't even change it. I can't even actually add any notes. That's stupid. Let's see what other objects there are. Package. What does that do? Insert icon. Oh, so does this have like... I'm not even sure what that does. Okay. Yeah, I'm starting to lose confidence in this not being boring. Okay. Image document. What does that even mean? Whatever. Let's just make a thing. Let's just change the font to something else so that's cooler. Let's just make the font cool. So step 1, we're going to choose the cool font. Why is system not there? But what if the font I wanted was system? Or terminal? Or fixed system? Which, by the way, it is. Is regular Courier new a thing? Oh, okay, I guess so. Test. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. I prefer whenever I type things in Courier, I prefer for it to be nice and pixelated, because then it just I just like it when Courier when the Courier font is either, like, I don't like it when Courier is either is either, I prefer for Courier to either be very pixelated or very smooth. Either one of those is fine, but for it to be anywhere in between just looks terrible to me. I don't know why, but it does. No. Okay, sorry. Center and blame target. I can't select the whole word. That's so annoying. Okay, blame target, and then we'll put below that by Blaine target. I wonder how much of the current. I wonder how much of the options that we currently have are still are in here. Placeholder text. Bullet style. What? Paragraph. Can I change it to -1 inch? Is that a thing I can do? Okay, apparently it is. I don't want to indent it. It's already centered, so why would I need to? Oh no. 0 inches. Okay, there. Now it doesn't suck. Format. Okay, so apparently we can't change the line spacing anymore than that. Actually, I think we could. No, we can't. Okay. Time to create a bio to have to keep inside of my briefcase. We're just gonna put the same thing. I am -16. You know what? Actually, no. We're doing this in batch. Batches, because then we can actually like have. You know what? We're just gonna make a batch program or something. Actually, no. Undo. Let's just. Oh. Okay, it's already set up exactly how I wanted. That's nice. Anyway, let's just because for some reason I forgot that I can't use Control S for some reason. Run. We'll see what programs we can run. I don't know what programs we should use. I don't even know what programs we can use. So let's just check what programs are here. Look, even Windows Server has games. See, it's like it's the basic part of Windows that Microsoft has decided to remove, and I don't understand it. Look, and this looks terrible, and this looks terrible, and I prefer how it looks in later versions of Windows because in later versions of Windows the graphics are actually good, and it does not look really horrifying. Seriously, those colors look horrifying. Okay, let's just documents, programs, accessories, calculator, chat. Whoa! Wait. Wait. Wait, you can. You could have text conversations over a phone line? That's actually pretty cool. Like, it's like texting for desktop computers. Oh my gosh, I think you could actually. I think I figured out how to text someone from my PC. Why were these features removed? Like, these are the exact same features that people occasionally find themselves complaining don't exist. Before they were ever like a thing, before they were ever a thing for the use, before it was ever possible that they could be implemented in the way that people want them now. Like, it's these features need to be revived. They're just the best features ever. Now let's make a batch program because I'm boring, so I'm gonna make something cool. I'm gonna make a game or something. I'm gonna make a game or something. Okay. New text document. So we're gonna do this. This means that it's going to be okay. So this means that okay. So the first thing means that it's not going to show all the commands that are being run because that would be really annoying, and it would make it really hard to tell what it actually is trying to say. Anyway, next we'll see what it actually, and then next we'll see what it does. What does okay, actually, I'm being really weird. So this means that it's going to allow us to use command extensions, and this means that it's going to allow us to use exclamation points as well as percent signs for variables. So sorry for telling you all that boring information that you probably don't even understand. Sorry. What is wrong with me? Okay, color blue, I guess. I like blue. Blue. Okay, because B is actually popular. Or teal, or whatever you call it. Okay. Some weird movie. Okay, so let's just pause, and we're gonna hide the word pause, and we're gonna hide the pause message by doing that, and test.bat, and there we go. So we're just gonna run this program, some weird movie, and so it says some weird movie, and it's and it has and if we press any key, it should close. Okay. I think I need to talk less. Oh yeah, by the way, I was making Pac-Man in Batch one time. That reminds me, I want to work on that because it seems like it would be a really cool idea. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Let's just save the thing. Save. So now it should have a different window size. Yeah, okay, that's about how I want it. It looks like a smartphone. Look, I'm gonna wait. I got an idea. Let's make a phone. Let's make a ASCII art. I'm not. I wasn't. That's. I'm not cussing. Okay. I swear I am not cussing. Get it? I swear. Get it? I swear. That was a joke. That was bad joke. That was a really bad joke. I'm sorry. Wait a second, I just thought of something. What if we gave this the functions? What if we gave this functions that an actual smartphone has? I think that would be really cool. Like we could give this we could give this the functionality of an actual smartphone. I think that would be really neat. Yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. I think. Let's just make a program. We're probably going to have a separate installer though. Just like. And. Oh, that's weird. Oh, yeah, right. Right, it's stop it right before the window. Now let's get rid of all that. all those unnecessary, all of the unnecessary spaces. Wait, what? 1, 2. Okay, just making sure I had the right number of spaces there, so that it would look nice. And test. Right, I forgot. For some reason, I don't even know what pipes are for in Batch, but for some reason, if you try to use them, it just crashes. So that's why I have to escape them like that. Okay, this actually does not look good. This actually does not render how I want it to. So I think we should probably undo this and then we're gonna change this so that it's like white. I'm not being a racist. Gosh, weird people. Okay. Slash. Okay, so we're gonna make the camera smaller. Backslash and backspace, 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 there we go. Save. Yes. Echoes off. But yeah, now the camera is actually at a good size that's not freaking huge. But now the camera isn't huge. Now we've got to make the sides of the smartphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, let's just see. Let's just see how it looks. Oh. Oh, here it is. Find this and replace it with this. Replace all. That was really satisfying to look at. Okay, and some weird movie. Huh. Oh. Okay. Let's just see what this looks like. Save and test. Wait, what? How? How did it go so far down? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, there. Wait. I didn't do that right. Oh, I think it went too far down because I didn't make this the right one. Okay, so I actually need to remove 2 spaces because I forgot that I stupidly have to escape pipes for some reason. Okay, so there's a tiny bit of extra space right here. And then we'll just go in the middle of this part. This. underscore slash save. Yes. Okay. It looks just like, it looks almost kind of like a smartphone, so that's good. It kind of resembles a smartphone, which is good enough. Also, I think we should take away one line from the screen, and then add one more line to the top, so that the camera is more visible. Well, not really so it's more visible, but just so it looks, just so that it is actually touching, so it's not just touching the top of the window. So yeah, now we're going to title it your we're just gonna call it CMD phone. We're just gonna call it CMD phone. Wait, no, I got an idea. T phone. T is for terminal. But then once, so like if you were to register your name in it as Blaine, it would change it to Blaine's T phone. So that's how it's supposed to work. Actually, let's see if the home button is actually centered. No, it's not, and that's really annoying. So let's just fix it. Why am I acting like I have OCD today? It's really weird. Close. Okay, so now we're just gonna do this. Draw screen. CLS and calls. We're not doing that. We're just gonna clear the screen. We're just gonna only clear the screen. Go to draw screen. Save. And test. So yeah, it doesn't. There's not too much of a jitter there, is there? Oh, it doesn't shake too much, does it? Does it? Obviously it does. Okay, it shakes way too much, but nobody cares. It's still gonna be an almost okay product, I guess. Okay, so how tall is the screen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. So the screen has 22 columns of text. So that means that we need to set each of these. Okay. Set index 0. 0. Okay. Screen correctly. Starts by index +1. set screen index. I was about to put Windex. And then we're just going to get all these spaces and put them right here. And save. Test. Huh? What's wrong with it? Oh! I forgot to actually put a command here. Go to screen property. I hope it's not something else causing it to crash. Okay, good. So it works. Okay, cool, it works. That's good. Sorry. Now this part's going to be incredibly boring, so just wait. Okay, actually, I think we need to speed this up somehow. I think we need to make this faster somehow because this is boring. Let's just select this and do this. Wait, what? I don't even know what that was. What was that supposed to do? What was that supposed to be? Okay. Right, we need to actually go to this part. It's really annoying. I just want to do things. Paste. Place with set screen 6%. And replace next. Screen 9. Screen 10. Screen 11. Screen 12. Screen 13. 14. Screen 15. Screen 16. Screen 17. Screen 18. Screen 19. Screen 20. Screen 20. Screen 21. Screen 22. Cannot find a lot of empty space. Okay, save. Yes. Okay, it works now. Okay, so now it works. So now we can. Okay, so now it works. Okay, so now it's so annoying. Okay. Does this work? Just wondering. Test. Okay then. Set screen 10 equals 333. Okay, now we need to find the width of the screen, which is exactly the same as the amount of underscores right here. 28. Okay. So it's 28. What? That's not right. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this to. So this is just some temporary code to just for troubleshooting purposes. And also we need to put this. Also, this needs to go before this. Save. Wait. Yeah, this needs to be right here. What are all these spaces? Where did all these spaces come from? That's weird. And save. Echo is off. That's not right. That's not right at all. Save. Huh. That's weird. Huh. Dang it, I don't know what to do. Maybe if we change this to, maybe if we change these to percent signs and these to exclamation points. Save. Oh yeah, I forgot to remove that pause command right there. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Hmm. So it seems like it's literally doing this instead of actually doing what it's supposed to do. Well, that's stupid! That's stupid. I'm just gonna make this, I'm just gonna work on that Pac-Man thing